Well, if you got $19.97 a month, 20 bucks minus 3 pennies, I really have an opportunity for you. Now, if you've already signed up with Save Club, you guys know how kick ass that 20 bucks investment into yourself really is. But if you want to be an affiliate like myself and earn money at the same time, do you have three more 20s? Do you have $80? Because if you do, I'm going to give you 3 cents back, and I'm going to invite you into one kick-ass opportunity. Now, Save Club, it debuted officially 5 days ago, and they did a pre-launch about 30 some odd days ago. So over that month time, I've signed up almost 100 people already, earning about $1,000 a week cash. That's what I've earned being an affiliate. I've saved over $900 just being a member for that $19.97 a month. I had to buy tires. I went to a gym. Let's see, Sirius XM. I've been to a few restaurants. I bought a purple mattress, but the tires at Discount Tire were amazing. But guys, I go to Walmart all the time and Home Depot. I got to build some stuff this summer. My savings are going to be really substantial because I'm more active in the summer. So for that $19.97 to have access to deals just here in Utah, it's amazing. Now, every day I get at least one email from somebody saying, okay, when is Save Club going to debut in my country, my city, or somewhere just close to where I live? It's a time thing. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we do live Zooms with our CEO and some other founding members. And they tell us, just rest assured, guys, we're going to be in every city and every country eventually, but it's going to be a time thing. So if you're an affiliate, all you can do is tell people that might want to join, not only for the 20 bucks a month to save money, but to be an affiliate, is to just tell people like you or your downline or potential someone that might want to pre-enroll and they're interested, just give us some time. It's only June 5th right now, and we kicked off the company June 1st. So over a 4 or 5 day period in the pre-launch of 30, there's thousands of people signed up, but there's hardly any affiliates. At this time, we are on course to sign up 1 million people the next 12 months. And the only way people can sign up is if you're an affiliate. So if you do spend that 20 or 60 bucks, you got the 20 to be a member, your investment right now is $79.97. Okay? The next year, you can relax and do the best you can to kick ass, because that $60 gets you a full-blown website. It gets you a capture page where people can watch a video that recruits for you. They can put you, or people can put their information in, get an email automatically from Save Club that explains more about the opportunity, or you can open up the email and just join, follow the instructions. And what's nice about this company is if you don't really know how to email people regularly, if they pre-enroll in any business, okay, it's an autoresponder. It's where an automated email message can go out 1 time, 2 times, or 5 million a day. This company on your behalf sends out one really nice email about, would you like more information? Let me tell you a little bit about Save Club. And if you'd still like more info, okay, the next day you'll get another email. But if you want to join, you can always click and join right away, or just unsubscribe. Because, yeah, it's a numbers game. A lot of people, they're going to appreciate Save Club, but they just don't have time or energy for it for whatever reasons, and that's cool. I just keep producing videos like this and posting on social media. I always have some business cards on me just in case somebody wants to talk about Save Club. I just say, click this link and watch these videos. And if you like what you see, then here, my email's on my business card. So I keep things even on a street level. I got to keep it a little mysterious, because if you talk all about Save Club for like 30 minutes, oh my God, you're going to have a headache. That person's going to have a headache and forget almost everything you tell them. And on top of that, if they're ever going to join you, they're going to think they have to do the same thing. Talk, conference calls, meet at people's homes. Guys, that is so old school. And I think you're going to agree. No one wants to even really talk on the cell phone anymore. It's about texting or watching video. And if you don't want to do Save Club and you're by yourself, it's awesome. You're not embarrassed to say no. You watch the video. What's the comp plan? Rewind. What's the comp plan? Rewind. Okay, now I get it. Took me 3 times to watch the new comp plan so you know how we get paid. Okay, what's the membership? Watch the video. You don't understand it? All right, let me watch that darn thing again. And with my new funnel, it's 20 minutes. It takes its time and it really explains things, I think even better than the Save Club 6-minute video. So I do both, because I've signed up almost 100 people by doing both techniques, And with my new funnel system, it pays me $20 for each person that signs up with the funnel, and that's recurring. So if I have, well, right now I've made almost $900 just with the extra money that I've made with the funnel. And the funnel's getting me signups. So am I going to use the funnel for that $25 for 30 days? Holy crap, what a deal. All right. You make $20 and the funnel is only 25. Man, that's awesome. Do you know most funnel systems like ClickFunnels is 1 to 200 a month? Ours is only 25 and it has the same utilities, the same features, and it's even easier because I've had ClickFunnels. And right now the service we use for $25, wow, what a deal. And they're an affiliate where they pay you $20. I'm like, count me in. So what I do is I promote 2 links. People to Save clubs, just $60 funnel, and you get the website and you get the capture page, and you'll see all this. I'll show you on my video at the end here. But with the funnel system, I like it because if you join Save Club and you kind of get stuck a little bit and you run out of ideas, well, if you join the Save Club, you're going to join 2 private invite-only Facebook group pages. We have more video and more content almost daily for you to use for free. Okay, now sure, you paid $25 for the funnel, but that's the funnel. You paid $60 being an affiliate, but you got a badass website. But all the live interaction and all the meeting of people that are experts, I mean, our group is amazing. You know that our group almost takes up, I think, 6 out of the top 10 in the company, and I'm one of them. I'm number 7. It's exciting to just share information and posts and content made by these experts. All right, people that have made millions. Boy, I'm like this. I'm listening. And you guys can have access to this. Sure, it's $79 and 97 little pennies to join right now as a member and to be an affiliate. And if you want to look at the funnel, you don't have to, but it's only $25. So how do I do all this? How have I saved $900, made $4,000 in the last month, and on top of that, made an additional $900 with the funnel? That's a $5,000 cash bonanza that I can put right in my pocket right here. Where's my money? I always have some money laying around in front of me. All right, there's $1,000. There we go. Call me money. Call me money Mike or Magic Mike. How about that stripper guy? I'm almost 60. I think my stripping days is over. But you know what? I know how to make these little Benjamins. Is that what they call them in the nightclubs? I got some Benjamins. All right, so I want to show you how I make some Benjamins in a $6 Walmart shirt. Okay, I know you can do this. So get excited, guys. Let me show you my links. Go to officialsaveclub.com. This will take you to this page, which is what you're going to get if you join for that $60 to be an affiliate. Watch this video. It's 6 minutes. It's awesome. Fill out this information and click that orange button just so you start getting automated messages from Save Club, 1 a day for 30 days. And please save them all, especially if you're going to join. You can put whatever name here. I put Cory Draper. You can put Bob Marley, Elvis Presley, or your business. It's up to you, okay? Now that is when you go to this link right here. So let me show you. Official Save Club, click it, and then boom, goes right here. That's for $60 plus that $19.97 to be a member. Now, if you want to look into this funnel system, this is for people that are new, mostly inexperienced, or you've joined Save Club already, but you're confused on what to do. Try this for $25. SaveClubFunnels.com. You're going to go to this page, put your email right in this white rectangle, hit the show me the video button, that yellow one. Watch this 20-minute video here. Now, this exact website is yours. $25. Just try it out. You do not have to do it month after month. This is $25. If you like it and it gets you signups, then do it month after month after month. And this is all getting upgraded too, because obviously we're getting more people and more stories. All right. This is all about storytelling and experience. So watch this 20-minute video. If you want to join Save Club right there. There's the $79.97. And if you've already joined, don't worry. Just hit this Get New Funnel, $25. Go ahead and hit that red button right there. And we accept the Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. And then for sure, I want to invite you to both of our Facebook group pages for Save Club. It is important. I really want you to look into this. If you're stuck right now, don't worry about it. We're going to get you unstuck. And like I said, there's no one in Save Club. We're only 5 days old. And for us that joined 30 days ago, we're affiliates mostly. We're just inviting people like you to check out this opportunity. And I want to teach you, or at least show you what I do. For me to sign up 100 people, it didn't happen by accident. I just make things fun, simple. That way you post every day and it's not like a chore. This isn't mowing the lawn or taking out the garbage or doing something you can't stand. I think this is very fun, and you're going to have a good time in Save Club. Saving money and making money. That's a damn good combo. All right, guys, there's my links. Check it out. And if you need something, there's my email, Cory@CoryDraper.com. So we'll keep things short and sweet. How about it? 10 minutes and 45 seconds. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, and peace and love. And let me know if I can help you, okay? All right, take care, guys. Bye.